My dear friends, good evening to all of you. I am extremely happy to declare that PSLV C-50 successfully injected CMS-01, the communication satellite, precisely in the predefined sub-GTO orbit. The satellite is functioning very well, and another 4 days from now, the satellite will be placed in the specified slot in geosynchronous orbit. And subsequently, the satellite is going to function as the continuation of the GSAT-12, was launched 11 years back. I am sure that this satellite will be doing all the functions as planned successfully. This excellent success really we achieved today because of the hard work and dedicated effort by Team ISRO, both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team tirelessly worked very in the pandemic conditions, very safely they worked, as well as with a minimum number of team. They have done the job. Kudos to my ISRO team, both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team. Now, when we have talked about success, definitely you will be asking what is next. The next mission, PSLV C-51, is a special for us. It is special for the entire country. Why I am telling is, as all of us are aware, recently we have brought the space reform and unlocking India's potential in the space sector. This aspect, our government of India has initiated. Very interesting to note that within 8 months, now the first satellite from a startup called Pixel India, the satellite is called Anand. It is going to be Earth observation satellite. It is going to be launched. This is the first of its kinds in India for bringing the private people for enabling the space activities over the country. This satellite, what are they going to do? Launch. It is going to provide Earth observation purpose, and this is the first of its kind and series. In the series of satellite, this startup company is going to launch. Along with that Anand satellite, 2 more satellites under the space reform is going to be launched. That is Space Kids India. Another one is that satellite is called Sadish Sat. The next satellite is the University Consortium, UnitySat. So definitely PSLV C-51 is going to initiate the the new era of the space reform in India. And I'm sure that the startups and the private people will take this activity further and to provide services for the entire country. At the same time, we have a lot of work on hand to do. That is, we are having activities like Chandrayaan-3, flagship program like Aditya L1, and Gaganyaan. It is activities. It is going on, and we have to have the missions at the earliest. And along with that, we have our much-awaited GSLV mission and SSLV mission, like the series of missions are on hand. As usual, I am sure that Team ISRO will come forward, rise to the occasion, and they will do the needful for meeting the demand given by our Indian government. Just now I got a message from the satellite center director that satellite is doing well And the solar panel, one of the crucial operation is happened and the solar panel successfully deployed. And now this that activity is now hand over from launch vehicle to satellite, and the satellite team is already started working on that, and very soon that the satellite will be 21st of this month. The satellite will be placed in the correct orbit after a series of maneuvers. Now, definitely that when you are doing so much work, definitely that you have to enjoy the festival. Our Christmas is going to come very fast. And New Year is also going to come. On behalf of the entire team ISRO, as well as on behalf of myself, I wish all the employees of the ISRO as well as their family members very happy Christmas and happy New Year. At the same time, definitely with the present conditions of the COVID pandemic, I urge all of you to celebrate these the functions, festivals very safely.